Say hi, babe. Hey, you guys. You're watching Oscar Outdoors. I'm Oscar. We're out here at Cedar Gap. We're gonna put the kayak in the water and just go exploring around. It's a little windy today, but that never stopped me before, you guys. All right, let's get started. So I got the heavy duty rod in case we run into some big catfish or something. I got the 45-pound braid on this bad boy, so it's the GX2, so it's pretty stout. And we got the little micro series. I lost this pole, you guys. I got another one now, right, babe? You probably don't like me for getting it, but it's only a $50 combo. That with the Sienna high gear. It's got a 6-to-1 ratio. It's pretty badass for a spinning reel. All right, let's get the rest of this stuff on and we'll get in the water. All right, I'm all suited up. Got the kayak ready and loaded up, ready to go. Let's get in the water. Man, they got some big, giant, dead carp down here. This thing's got to be like 40, 50 pounds. Look at the size of that guy. Man, we got some big dead ones over there. This guy right here is huge. All right, let's get in the water. All right, we're on. We're gonna check out over here real quick and see what's going on over there. Transferred all my bait fish into here. We got them all in there. Let's see what's up. So I'm just hooking up this little bitty hook with a little shot weight. Just like that. Let's try it out. This is one of these nice little minnows we caught. This one up here on top looks good. Come up right by the nose. Let's go try it. Water's super clear. That's all right. Hey everybody, I want to take this opportunity to go ahead and reiterate with what my buddy Beard Zero at Beard Zero Fishing. You guys got to go check him out, man, on YouTube. You got it on YouTube channel at Beard Zero Fishing. But what he said was you got to be careful where you catch your bait. Like my last video, I caught some bait fish. That's what I'm using now. But in Texas, you're only allowed to use those bait fish that you catch in the body of water that you caught them in. So like if I caught these bait fish at Stillhouse, I can't go fish with them in Belton, stuff like that. And as far as the bait fish you buy from the store, the only reason they want you to keep those receipts for those bait fish is, you know, Texas Parks and Wildlife, they want to make sure that you purchase them and that they're clean bait fish and they don't have that disease that'll jack up the water, you guys. But yeah, make sure you check all your eggs and everything like that, and stay safe out there. Stay lawful, you guys. Now let's get on to some fish. Fish on, you guys. Got a good one. Get out of there. Uh-oh. Come on. What you got? Come this way. All right. First fish of the day. What the hell is this, you guys? What y'all think? That's a good bass. That's a good bass. Let's see if I can get in the light for you guys. That's the one. There he is. That's a big fish. Look at that little hook set. Little bitty hook does the job, you guys. It's a nice big fish. See what he measures? Let me get him in that water real quick. I won't keep him out too long. Get the fish grips right there. All right, he'll be fine right there on the fish grips. I'm gonna get my stuff together here. Oh, it's big. Let's see, that's one. 21. It's a 21 entry, guys. That's nice for the first fish of the day. All right, big girl. Thank you for that fight. Let's get in that water. Look how clear that water is. Let's do it again. Yeah, I caught that guy off the brand new. I just bought this one, this whole setup right here. The 2500 high gear and the Micro Series Shakespeare. I had one before, but I broke it. And I liked it so much, I got it again. And I paired it up with the 2500. And it already paid for itself, man. Dang. That's what I'm talking about. Love it when a plan comes together. So I already did get a big fish off those bait fish I caught. You guys, can you believe it? I can. That was a good one. See that little bitty 10-pound test, that little bitty hook and a shot weight, man. It's deadly. Don't you go copying me now. All right. Come on, come on. Gotcha. Thing, guys. Nice dark one here, huh? Pretty colors on them. I want that hook again. Kills. There you go. Let's get them back in the water. Thank you, fish. Do it again. Woo! It's a windy one today. It's not gonna stop me from coming out, to tell you that much. I like it like this. Go. Get out. Hook up one of these big shiners here. Look like a little piranha, man. Look at those teeth in there. Can you all see that? Right through the nose. Nice hard bone there. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and move it down a little bit more. It's kind of windy right here, and fish don't like to be out in the middle of everything, so some do. So I'm headed down to this little tributary over here where I caught some crappie on a little brush pile one time. See what it's looking like over there in the shallow parts, man. A lot of the bass starting to stage up in the shallow areas. Gar's starting to pop out, it's getting warmer. Carp are everywhere. So are the bait fish. Water's still low. Let's go hunting. All right, we're just about getting in here. The water's a little bit more stained, a little bit more murky, which is good. And at least the wind's out, so that's real good. When you have real clear water conditions like this, you want some sort of cover, man. Some sort of wind, shade, structure, something like that. Just kind of break up all the clearness. Get up here a little bit further. Ooh, the grass is thick up here. Look at this shit, man. Thick. I had to stow my trolling motor just to get through this junk. No big deal. Okay, I got a fish, you guys. Got one. Fish on, fish on. Oh, you spit it out. You get it back. No, bait's jacked up, that's why. Do this. See, you need that hook right there. I have to fix it now. Here we go, here we go. What we got? A little bass here. Come on, guy. People want to see you. And I think I even got my minnow back. All right. Oh, I ain't got my minnow. There you go. Thank you, fish, for that fight. I knew you were by that log. Number 3, get in the water, be free. On the count of me. Okay, everybody. As you can see, it's getting pretty choppy, pretty windy. I'm just about out of battery here, and I need some paddle help here. Some manual power. We're gonna go ahead and call it a day, you guys. Hope you had fun watching Oscar Outdoors. Caught that real big old bass. I don't know, he had to have been at least 6 or 7, man. Then those other 2 badass little ones, man. Real pretty, that dark one. And that last third one, you guys. Hey, please excuse the wind, but don't mind Mother Nature, man. She's just doing her thing. Join me next time. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Take it easy, y'all.